Hello everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. Today I will show you how to mint your Optimism NFT in less than 5 minutes. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So before we start, we need to add Optimism network to our Metamask wallet. If you don't have a Metamask wallet or if you don't know how to use it, you can check out our Metamask tutorial video from the cards. After setting up your Metamask wallet, open up Chainlist, and as always, all the links will be in the description box below, and type down Optimism here. So as you can see, add to Metamask option pops up. So click on this and approve the transaction from your wallet. So as you can see, we added Optimism to our Metamask wallet. After adding Optimism, copy your wallet address, and after copying your wallet address, open up your Binance account, hover over on wallet and choose fiat and spot. Then choose withdraw, choose Ethereum. If you don't have any Ethereum, you need to buy at least $10 worth of Ethereum from the spot market here. Paste your wallet address here, and then on the network, this is the most important part. On the network part, you need to choose Optimism. As you can see, 0 Ethereum fee, and it will take approximately 5 minutes to arrive in your Metamask wallet. So choose Optimism, make sure you choose Optimism, and then approve your transactions and wait for 5 minutes for your funds to arrive in your Metamask wallet. After receiving your funds in your Metamask wallet, open up this web page, and as I said, all the links will be in the description box below. Now, after this, click on subscribe, choose Metamask, and connect your wallet. Here, type down an email address, and then click on continue. Then after typing down your email address, you need to verify your email address. Just check your email address, and then click on complete verification. And after verifying your email address, as you can see, it says subscribed. Now, after you see the subscribed sign, scroll down the web page, and as you can see, this is the NFT that we're gonna mint. So it says mirror subscriber NFT. Click on mint NFT, and by the way, nearly 300,000 people minted this NFT, so there's a big hype. So click on mint NFT. So as you can see, it will only take 12 cents for the transaction fee. So approve the transaction from your Metamask wallet, and you will mint your Genesis subscriber NFT. And with this NFT, we might be able to get airdrops from Optimism in the future. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And also, make sure to check out our Instagram page from the links in the description box below, because we share very motivational quotes, important informations, breaking news, and everything there's to know about crypto world and business world in general. So definitely check out our Instagram along with our other social media accounts from the links in the description box below. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.